25 countries with highest female population. 25. Croatia. Percentage of total population that are women, 51.79%. Number of women, 2,126,000. Number of men, 1,979,000. 24. Myanmar. Percentage of total population that are women, 51.81%. Number of women, 28,190,000. Number of men, 26,220,000. 23. Macau SAR, China. Percentage of total population that are women, 51.94%. Number of women, 337,000. Number of men, 312,000. 22. Sri Lanka. Percentage of total population that are women, 52.05%. Number of women, 11,146,000. Number of men, 10,267,000. 21. Republic of Moldova. Percentage of total population that are women, 52.11%. Number of women, 2,102,000. Number of men, 1,932,000. 20. Zimbabwe. Percentage of total population that are women, 52.28%. Number of women, 7,771,000. Number of men, 7,092,000. 19. Georgia. Percentage of total population that are women, 52.34%. Number of women, 2,088,000. Number of men, 1,901,000. 18. Hungary. Percentage of total population that are women, 52.40%. Number of women, 5,062,000. Number of men, 4,598,000. 17. United States Virgin Islands. Percentage of total population that are women, 52.50%. Number of women, 55,000. Number of men, 50,000. 16. Aruba. Percentage of total population that are women, 52.57%. Number of women, 56,000. Number of men, 51,000. 15. Puerto Rico. Percentage of total population that are women, 52.62%. Number of women, 1,505,000. Number of men, 1,356,000. 14. Estonia. Percentage of total population that are women, 52.62%. Number of women, 698,000. Number of men, 628,000. 13. Portugal. Percentage of total population that are women, 52.69%. Number of women, 5,373,000. Number of men, 4,824,000. 12. Armenia. Percentage of total population that are women, 52.97%. Number of women, 1,569,000. Number of men, 1,394,011. El Salvador. Percentage of total population that are women, 53.19%. Number of women, 3,450,000. Number of men, 3,036,000. 10. Belarus. Percentage of total population that are women, 53.44%. Number of women, 5,050,000. Number of men, 4,399,000. 9. Russia. Percentage of total population that are women, 53.65%. Number of women, 78,294,000. Number of men, 67,640,000. 8. Ukraine. Percentage of total population that are women, 53.67%. Number of women, 23,471,000. Number of men, 20,263,000. 7. Lithuania. Percentage of total population that are women, 53.72%. Number of women, 1,462,000. Number of men, 1,260,000. 6. Guadeloupe. Percentage of total population that are women, 53.88%. Number of women, 216,000. Number of men, 185,000. 5. Latvia. Percentage of total population that are women, 53.91%. Number of women, 1,017,000. Number of men, 869,000. 4. Martinique. Percentage of total population that are women, 54.00%. Number of women, 203,000. Number of men, 173,000. 3. Curaçao. Percentage of total population that are women, 54.01%. Number of women, 89,000. Number of men, 75,000. 2. Hong Kong SAR, China. Percentage of total population that are women, 54.12%. Number of women, 4,057,000. Number of men, 3,440,000. 1. Nepal. Percentage of total population that are women, 54.19%. Number of women, 15,788,000. Number of men, 13,348,000.